Only one day in Prague? Don't panic. I'll show you the 3 absolute must-see spots so you don't waste time, and your Instagram will thank you later. This is Sabina from Taiwan, currently based in the Czech Republic. I'm actually thinking to share the video as bedtime story, as I'm usually recorded before sleep. So I'm wearing PJ right now. So here's the thing, Prague itself is a real superstar. The entire city centre is crowned a UNESCO World Heritage Site, basically a gigantic outdoor museum. It's one of the most cinematic cities in the world, loved by movie directors. Films like Mission Impossible, Spider-Man Far From Home, and Casino Royale all shot scenes here. It's not just a city, it's an aesthetic garden, where every corner looks like a film set. Let's do a one-day speed run of Prague. Let's go! First stop, of course, Charles Bridge. Sunrise here, magical. Zero tourist, pure vibes. Cross there at 7 AM, you'll hear street musicians starting their day. But here's the twist. When they built it in the 14th century, builders tossed raw egg yolks in the mortar to make the bridge tougher. But some villagers messed up and sent hard-boiled eggs instead. So technically, Charles Bridge is part of the medieval engineering. You're walking on an omelette bridge though. Don't forget to rub St. John's shiny bronze reliefs. Get loyalty, luck, love, and a flight ticket to Prague. Here's a pro tip, how to get the best photos on Charles Bridge. Standing in the middle with Prague Castle perfectly framed behind you. You're in a fairy tale now. Next up, Prague Castle. It's not just one castle, it's basically a whole neighborhood. It's also where Czech president lives. It's the largest ancient castle complex in the world, like a medieval city on a hill. It took over 1,000 years to finish, a millennium. They literally started in the 14th century and only wrapped it up in the 20th century. Climb up and bam! You'll see St. Vitus Cathedral, the Gothic masterpiece. The stained glass? Mwah. Even if you don't like churches, this one hits different. Oh, and the view of the city from the castle grounds? Free, panoramic, 10 out of 10. No filter needed. A tiny pro tip for you. Go and watch the changing of the guard at noon. They actually change every hour, but the noon one is the biggest and epic ceremony. Take a selfie with the guards if you wish, but never touch them. They must stand still with the poker face. They're there to protect the president. I heard that a girl touched the guard whilst taking a selfie. That's why they added a fence around them later on. Let's respect their honor and duty, shall we? By the way, I share fun cultural stories every week. My husband and I are traveling around the world, so if you enjoy this, hit follow. That way you get to watch cool world cultures anytime you want. Last stop, the Old Town Square, the heart of Prague. Colorful Baroque buildings, buzzing energy, and of course, the astronomical clock, or Plaszki Orloj. It has been ticking since 1410. Wow, it's the world's oldest working astronomical clock, over 600 years. Here's a little secret. They say the city blinded the clockmaker after he finished it, so he could never build another masterpiece like it elsewhere. Hope it's not true. It's sad. When you're here, make sure to come early. Every hour on the hour, people gather for a little show, dancing a parcel. The show is literally like medieval slow TV. Don't expect Marvel level special effects. It's short, simple, yet unforgettable. Here's a hack. At the end of the trip, grab chimney cake or trudelnik in Czech with ice cream and a cup of coffee. Then sit and watch the stunning square. That's the real Prague vibe. Now you're a Prager, or Brzezin in Czech. And that's your one-day Prague survival guide. 3 spots you can't miss: Charles Bridge, Prague Castle, and Old Town Square. Which one would you rush to first? Comment below and let me know what else you want to know. Have a great life. This is Sabina. See you in a bit. I'm gonna hit the bed. Super tired. Good night.